Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to CryptoJet, where today I'm not going to be bothering about the market cap of a coin that is so ridiculous that it really doesn't even make sense to look at the market cap. We're talking about Dogecoin, of course, and let's just see what's happening on the actual chart. We have some lines here from before. Wow, this was actually crazy. So this was 10th of April 2021. Let me just see really quickly what we predicted right here. A few outcomes when the price was about 6 or 7 cents. And what has happened since then? Wow, that is crazy for a shitcoin of this dimension. Dogecoin, I've never really liked it. And in my ideal vision, you may have or may not have heard of a head and shoulders pattern, which basically, if it's a normal head and shoulders, such as this imaginary head and shoulders right here, it shows that the price is actually going to drop down by the amount that it actually came back up. So it should say that Dogecoin is going down into oblivion, which would be the best case for a coin, for a shitcoin of this dimension. But since this shoulder is not actually completed, this right shoulder, and since there is high speculation in the market and a lot of idiots who think that this coin has some application in the future, they will lose money at one point or another, right? I really cannot predict myself if this coin is going to grow or not because the project is non-existent. So it's like investing. I don't know if any of you watched Wolf of Wall Street, and they're talking about Aerotine International, some firm, amazing financials, amazing reports, everything is superb. And then you see what the place actually looks like, and it's just a tool shed. So who wants to buy a stock of a company or a coin in a cryptocurrency that operates from the back of a tool shed, right? And says there's something that they're not. Now, Doge isn't even saying that there's something that they're not. But very simply, my vision for cryptocurrency is coins such as VeChain, such as IOTA, such as Cardano. So coins that promote buildability, coins that promote the Internet of Things, coins that promote faster payments, better infrastructures, etc. Dogecoin does none of those things, which is why I believe that its price in the very, very, very long run cannot be larger than like maximally a $1 or $2 billion market cap, which is way, way down, which would mean that this head and shoulders theory is actually a true one. But since speculation is still in the market, only about 1% of people know about what cryptocurrency is. We're just going to have to assume that people will still ride the hype and take this as a sign of a broken downtrend, which means that the price may continue to be going higher, as I've said many times before, to continue making higher highs and higher lows. Taking all of my personal beliefs, which are very realistic, by the way, but taking all of them aside, we can see a very nice change in trend. We can see a bounce off the moving average line, and we can see that this sort of downtrend was actually broken out of, and we're hitting a zone of important. So this could be called a zone of support / resistance, but I'm going to move on to the 4-hour time frame just to see a little bit closer. So we actually haven't really broken out of it. This is something that I would consider an important zone because we have one touch, we have a consolidation, we have another touch, consolidation, another touch. So I consider this an important zone. We broke through it, but are now heading downwards. So what do you know? Maybe my head and shoulders theory will actually come to life. Jokes aside, I would really not consider investing into this coin anymore at this point. The time to invest was at this time right here, where we made quite a tremendous prediction. But not even I personally bought into this coin at this point. Nobody could have predicted this much hype coming from influential people, aka market manipulators from the internet. So that would be about Dogecoin from my side. Really don't want to talk about this piece of trash anymore. So if you have any comments, if you want to add on to my rant, please do so in the comments down below. And give me if you're invested into Doge and you really believe that it's going to be a project useful for the future, feel free to leave a dislike on this video because I respect you. I respect you for being the one of the few people who actually share that opinion. Thanks for joining in. See you guys in the next one. Adios.